Hey guys, this is how to send a mail to multiple people instantly in Gmail. So guys, in order for you to do that, just simply click on compose over here. And from here guys, just simply provide a subject. I'm gonna go for call, meeting, essay. And now I'm just gonna provide the description, the link, the time of the meeting. So it will be depending on your own personal preference. So now in order for you to add a multiple people, just go over here to the two. And from here, just simply provide an email. So let's say I'm going to go for test@gmail.com. And after that, once I want to add more, I'm just going to tap on enter on my keyboard and just simply go ahead and go for more people. So I'm gonna go for test number 2 at gmail.com. And from there, guys, you can continue it by just simply adding more Gmail account. And from there, guys, you'll be able to send this mail into multiple people. And that's pretty much it. Just simply add as much as you can over here to the two. And there you go. If this video was helpful, please like and subscribe. And thanks for watching. See ya.